Hello and welcome to HD Calcs. I'm Rick, and in this video we're going to have a look at how we can use E, or Euler's number, on the Texas Instruments TI-34 Multiview graphing calculator. To do this, we'll use the second function key that looks like this, located here, the probability key with the second function of log that looks like this, located here, and the negative key that looks like this, located here. To find E on this calculator, what we have to do is go second probability. That brings up this menu here. Then scroll to the right to ln, and then we see number 2 is the E with the exponent right there. So if we want to get Euler's number, or E, on our screen, we just highlight it and hit enter. Now we see E with the exponent. If we just want E itself, we can just put a 1 in the exponent and hit enter. And we see we get E equals 2.71828, etc., which is correct. What if we want E with an exponent? Well, again, we just get to E with the second probability, scroll over to ln, and choose the E. And our cursor's already in the exponent position, so if we want, say, E to the power of 2 plus 3, we can just go 2 plus 3. And if this is part of a longer equation, we want to move our cursor from the exponent position down to the main line there so we could continue on. And then we hit enter, and we see we get 148.4131, etc., which is correct. What if we want E with a negative exponent? Again, we go second probability, scroll over to the ln, and then down to the 2 for E. And for this example, we're doing E to the power of negative 2. So we use the negative key here, not the subtraction, the negative key. And then 2. And then we'll move our cursor out of the exponent box down to the main line, because that's just good practice, and hit enter. And we see we get E to the power of negative 2 is equal to 0.13533, etc., which is correct. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really hope this has been helpful. If it has, you can help me out by hitting that like button and subscribe for more calculator tips in the future. And, as always, good luck on those tests out there, everybody. You've got this.